Hello, today we will guide you through how to check active sessions in Claude AI. To begin, open your web browser and go to a search page for Claude AI login. This is simply the starting point to help you reach the correct sign-in page. In the search results, look for the official Claude sign-in option and select the result that takes you to the login page for your account. It is always a good idea to make sure you are choosing the official site so you can access your account securely and avoid confusion. Once you are signed in and the Claude interface has loaded, direct your attention to the bottom left area of the screen. There you should see your profile icon, usually displayed as a small circle. Click on that profile area to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several account-related options, including the settings you will need for this process. After the menu expands, click on Settings. This will open the Settings area where different sections of your account can be managed. If you do not immediately see the exact information you need, that is normal, since the settings page often contains multiple categories. Next, select Account from the settings options. The Account section is where Claude AI displays information related to your account status and session activity. This is the part of the platform that helps you review where your account is currently active. Once you are in the Account section, you will be able to see your active sessions. This area shows the sessions that are currently associated with your Claude account, which can be useful if you want to confirm where you are logged in or review account activity for security purposes. You can then look more closely at the active session details. Typically, this includes information such as the device being used, the location, when the session was created, and when it was last updated. These details can help you recognize your own activity and spot anything unfamiliar. If something looks unexpected, reviewing this information carefully can help you decide whether further account security steps are needed. That's all it takes to check active sessions in Claude AI. By navigating to your profile, opening Settings, and selecting Account, you can quickly review where your account is active and better understand your recent session activity.